अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज हम पढ़ेंगे ग्रामर के बारे में। द वर्ड ग्रामर इज ड्राइव्ड फ्रॉम फॉलोइंग वर्ड्स। जो ग्रामर का लफ्ज़ है इन अल्फाज से वजूद में आया है। ओल्ड फ्रेंच वर्ड ग्रामेर, फ्रेंच में पुरानी जो फ्रेंच है उसमें ग्रामर को ग्रामेर कहा जाता था। ओल्ड लैटिन वर्ड ग्रामेटिका, पुरानी जो लातीनी ज़बान है उसमें इसको ग्रामेटिका कहा जाता था। न्यू लैटिन वर्ड ग्रामेट, नई जो लातीनी ज़बान है इसको ग्रामेट कहती है। ग्रीक वर्ड ग्रामेटिकोस, ग्रीक ज़बान में ग्रामर को ग्रामेटिकोस कहा जाता था। दे ऑल मीन अ सेट ऑफ स्टैंडर्ड रूल्स। तो ग्रामेर है, ग्रामेटिका है, ग्रामेट है, ग्रामेटिकोस है या ग्रामर। डिफाइन ग्रामर, system of rules that indicates how our thoughts can be expressed, the art of putting right word in a right place, rules and principles for writing and speaking a language. This is called grammar. Note, must note, grammar is the backbone of language. किसी भी जबान की जो रीढ़ की हड्डी है वो ग्रामर है। Some important terms जो ग्रामर में यूज होते हैं, अल्फाबेट ALPHABET, साउंडेड लेटर्स को हम अल्फाबेट कहते हैं। अल्फा का मतलब साउंड है और बेट का मतलब लेटर है। अल्फाबेट, अ सेट ऑफ लेटर्स और सिंबल्स अरेंज्ड इन अ फिक्स्ड ऑर्डर रिप्रेजेंटिंग द बेसिक साउंड इन स्पीच। अल्फाबेट डज नॉट हैव अ प्लूरल फॉर्म A to Z. This whole set is called alphabet. Note, अल्फाबेट्स नहीं लिखा जाएगा, ALPHABETS नहीं होगा क्योंकि अल्फाबेट अपने आप में प्लूरल है। अल्फाबेट लेटर्स लिखा जाएगा, अल्फाबेट लिखा जाएगा। डिफाइन लेटर, 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 members or symbols of alphabet. There are 26 letters in English language. Consonants 19 हैं। Vowel letters A, E, I, O, U, W and Y are semi-vowel letters. Define word. A meaningful sound or combination of sounds can be written and spoken. Examples: book, pen, dog, city, teacher, etc. Kinds of words: absolute words, lexical words, ordinary words, dictionary words. These all are self-explanatory words. No explanation is needed. Book, marker, cat, come. Grammatical words या फिर function words. Not self-explanatory. They need explanation. Noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, they all need explanation. Phrase, a group of words that have no subject and verb but can have a particular meaning. Examples: at the office, in the class, in the library, etc. Note that what is clause? Define clause. CLAUSE, clause. A group of words having a subject and a verb and forms a part of sentence. There are two types of clause: dependent clause. When she comes, independent clause, you should call me. When she comes, you should call me. Sentence, what is sentence? Define sentence. A group of words giving or providing a complete meaning, having a subject and a predicate. I'll explain what is predicate and subject later. For example, the government dismantled the old bridges. Here the subject is the government, it's the subject, and dismantled the old bridges, it's predicate. A sentence has the following four elements. Number one, subject, a person or a thing we are talking about. Sender, who does action. Predicate, part of sentence talks about the subject. Whatever comes after the subject is known as predicate. Examples: he broke the glass. He is a subject and broke the glass is a predicate. She teaches at school. Teaches at school is a predicate. Sometimes predicate can also be a single verb. For example, she breathes. For example, my brother works. Note that main part of predicate is verb. Object. What is object? Define object. Person or thing affected by action. Receiver, who receives action. Examples: he manages the office. Here the office is object. Our teacher teaches us. Us, it's object. They fixed the car. The car, it's an object. Define complement. A word or group of words completes the meaning of sentence. For example, we play cricket. For example, my mother is cooking in the kitchen. In the kitchen, it's a complement. Note that an object can be noun or pronoun. That's it. And a complement, it can be noun, pronoun, adjective, and adverb. Conclusion: every object can be called complement. Every complement cannot be called object. Examples: she cooked rice. Object plus complement. They killed him. Object plus complement. Our teacher teaches slowly. Only complement. He looks sad. Only complement. I have money. Only complement. That's it for today. I am Hasnain Abrez. Assalamu alaikum.